You smell that? I smell the love in the air. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. I am your home matchmaker sent from heaven. If you are looking to fall in love with your next home, or maybe you don't even want to fall in love, maybe you just want to like it a whole lot. Or you know what, that might even be too much for you too. Maybe you just want to get that thing and move on to the next home. Let me know. I'm the one to help you out. Johnny Palmer, 214-869-6555. That's 214-869-6555. You enjoy your day, and I hope I can help you fall in love, or maybe just fall in light with your next home.